So this one, all the underfloor is done now. There's another manifold over the other side. So at the design temperature, it's too warm for the customer. So what we're going to do is change the schedule. So go into schedule, weekly. You've got to select each day. Very odd way of doing it, but select each day. And then we'll go to enter. And then what we want to do is just go across to the temperature. So we're going to lower it by 2 degrees. Enter that. And then we'll go across to this one as well. Lower that by 2 degrees. And there we have it. So we've got 6:30 to 9:30, 32 degrees flow temperature. It's on underfloor. And then the same on the afternoon. I'm going to change that actually because that was just set for me yesterday. So we'll move that up to 4 o'clock. And there we go. And then we've got domestic hot water. And same again there. I was doing that for me yesterday. And there we go. Come back out of that. And then we can check the schedule. So there we go. We know that everything's as it should be.